This video will help you to understand how to perform this activity. So see, this is the activity assignment that has been posted on the Google document on your Google Classroom. When you open this assignment, it looks like this. The assignment's name is Computer Grade 3 Google Document Make a Copy Activity. It has 5 points, and now the instructions. You have to open the Google document attached in the Your Work section. Now, where is the Your Work section? If you are using a laptop or a tablet, maybe you will see Your Work section over here on the top right corner. If you are using a mobile phone or a tablet, you will see it at the bottom. Okay. So you see there is a Google document that is attached over here with your name. Now this is my activity, so it is having my name. Okay, so you have to open the Google document. Now as you can see here, I have mentioned a few rubrics on which I will be giving you marks. So though the activity is for 5 marks, you will get 1 point or 1 mark for each of these things. So when you open the document attached in your work section, you get 1 mark. So your work section is over here, and this is the document that has been attached in the your work section. So when I click on this assignment or the document, it opens in a new tab. So this is the document where we will work on. Okay, now what do we have to do in this document? So let's read the step number 2. You have to write 3 sentences on how you like to spend your holiday on the Google document. So coming back, you will write 3 sentences. I like spend my holiday with my family members. Then I like to draw and paint something interesting. I like to take rest for some time during my holiday. So this is how I like to spend my holiday, and I have done with my 3 sentences. So coming back to the activity, see the second rubric is writing 3 sentences on how you like to spend your holiday will give me 1 mark. So if I have written 3 sentences, I will get 1 more mark. Now the third instruction is make a copy of this Google document and name the new document as copied document. So I will come back to this document that we are working on. Okay, now how to make a copy? We go in the file menu, click on make a copy option. Once again, see file menu, make a copy option. So when I click on make a copy option, it will ask me for the new name of the document. So what do we have to give the new name? We have to name the new document as copied document and then click on OK. Will open a new document with the name copied document. It will have all the 3 sentences that I have already written in the original document. Now let's look at the rubric. So making a copy, I will get 1 mark, and naming the new document correctly, I will get 1 more mark. So total I am getting 4 marks. Now the fourth instruction is write 2 sentences about your hobbies. So we have already written 3 sentences. So you have to write the two more. You have to add 2 more sentences on the new document that you have copied. Okay, so write 2 sentences out on your hobbies. So my hobbies are dancing and painting. These are two sentences that I have added. Now coming back, see, adding two sentences, I will get one more mark. So if you have done all of these things, you will get 5 marks. But one very important thing that you have to do is read this fifth instruction, that is add this new document to the activity page. Now how to add? See, you have to click on add, click on link, come back to this document, take this link from here, copy this link, or you can right click on this and copy it, click over here and paste this link over here. So I have added my copied document also over here, and then you have to click on hand in.